In this video, watch how RFHIC's 3 kW, 2.4 to 2.5 GHz GaN solid-state microwave generator is used for nanoparticle synthesis. The microwave generator was used to effectively raise the temperature of the nanoparticles inside the chamber. In less than 5 minutes, temperatures rose to 800 Celsius degrees. For this demonstration, a total output power of 800 watts was used. However, users can attain even higher temperatures by using higher power levels up to 3000 watts. RFHIC's GaN solid-state microwave technology offers numerous advantages over traditional heating methods. These include digital controllability, instantaneous heating, a more uniform heat distribution, and reduced processing times. For more information, contact us through our website.